and our legal analyst, Paula Canny, was in the courtroom to hear what happened.
Paula joining us now live from outside that courtroom. Paula, thank you so much for joining us this morning. So Peterson with a new legal team in there. Today was mostly about scheduling, correct?
It was all about scheduling. There's so much work that goes behind all of the motions connected to this. The other significant thing about this morning is it's a new judge. The last couple years it had been a judge from San Francisco. Now it's a San Mateo judge, Judge Elizabeth Hill. She's super smart. She's a super hard worker. So I think that's really good for the defense.
Okay. So tell us, as a defense attorney.
And it was all about scheduling.
Yeah. So we'd rather know from you, as an expert defense attorney, if you can hear me, more about what they could possibly argue in this case to get him a new trial, because we were under the impression there had to be a problem with the last trial, but maybe that doesn't be the case. Maybe it's like, oh no, maybe somebody else did it, and that's good enough. How do you get a new trial?
Okay, well, it's super complicated to get a new trial. So for the last 20 years, much of the work about getting a new trial was about juror misconduct. That didn't get him a new trial. But after he lost on that motion to get a new trial due to juror misconduct, for many years, for 20 years, remember, it's been the defense's theory that Laci was abducted by burglars because there were these like meth head burglars running around that neighborhood burglarizing houses. That's not a new theory. It's what they've been saying all along. What all this defense investigation has turned up, though, is that there was a van found close to Laci and Scott's house that has a mattress in it that has blood stains. They're trying to get that mattress DNA tested. And if Laci Peterson's DNA is on that mattress, it's going to conclusively prove, in my opinion, that she was abducted, just as the defense attorneys, the defense theory has always been, and that's going to exonerate Scott Peterson. The thing is even if that mattress has Laci Peterson's DNA on it, it doesn't mean that, boom, it's over. It means lawyers write all these motions and argue. Oh, sorry, my bad.
That's okay.
They argue about this and argue about it, and then the judge is going to decide. But that's what they're going to. The LA Innocence Project is asking the court to let them do DNA testing on materials that were not deemed by the prosecution or Modesto related to this case. But the defense attorneys have always said, the defense team has always said, hey, there are these other burglars out there. But the prosecution didn't give them that evidence, didn't give them that information. And now 20 years into all this investigation, the defense is able to finitely say, here are these things, test it, and then that's what the judge has to decide. But this process is going to take, it isn't like a day or two. This is a long, long, long process. But it's super significant that the Los Angeles Innocence Project is involved in this case.
But wait, why is it such a long process? You just said you tested, either it's her blood or it's not.
Yeah, but just let's say it's her. Let's say her DNA is on it. It's 20 years. Lawyer time doesn't work in real time like media stuff. Every time there's something that happens, you have to brief it. You have to write all these things and give it to a judge. And then the other side gets to argue about it. And then it's back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. So nothing happens in real time, in court time. It happens in court time.
Well, wait, except if there's
That's the process.
If there's no Laci DNA, though, it's over quick. No?
Well, maybe, and maybe not. If there's Laci DNA on the hammer, then there's things. It's hard to know. It's just hard to know. But what I do know is that all of this information should have been provided to the defense team 21 years ago. And that's a whole other issue.
So you're saying this was a failure?
The prosecution was duty-bound to provide this material, and they didn't do it.